Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best cutting mat self-healing grid on the market today, let us introduce you to a tool that's become a staple in sewing rooms, craft studios, and maker spaces around the world. The Fiskars Self-Healing Eco Cutting Mat, sized 24 by 36 inches. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its generous size. At 24 inches by 36 inches, this mat is built for serious creators. Whether you're slicing through full widths of fabric for quilting or precisely trimming paper for your scrapbooking projects, the surface area is more than enough to work comfortably without constantly having to reposition your materials. The mat is also marked with easy-to-read grid lines, complete with 30, 45, and 60-degree bias lines. These angles are incredibly helpful for quilters, fashion designers, or anyone who needs accurate, angled cuts. This cutting mat is designed with Fiskars self-healing surface, which means it can absorb cuts from rotary blades and craft knives without showing deep grooves. This feature not only prolongs the life of your mat but also ensures a smoother, more precise cutting experience every time you use it. You won't deal with annoying snags or uneven cuts caused by worn-out surfaces. Now, let's talk about its eco-friendly aspect. Made from polypropylene, it's a durable, long-lasting material. And while Fiskars markets it as eco-conscious, the true benefit lies in the product's longevity. If your work involves fine measurements or intricate cuts, this mat gives you the surface stability and precision layout you need. And if you pair it with a Fiskars rotary cutter, especially one with an ergonomic handle, you'll elevate your cutting efficiency and comfort. As for durability, the mat holds up impressively well over time. It's resistant to warping, and the grid lines remain visible even after months of regular use. The surface doesn't dull your rotary blades quickly either, which means both your tools and this mat have an extended shelf life. Fiskars has a reputation for crafting high-quality tools that stand up to years of use, and this cutting mat is no exception. The company backs it with a full lifetime warranty, showing confidence in the product's reliability and build quality. It's perfect for hobbyists, professional sewists, scrapbookers, and even students in fashion or design programs. If you're building out your creative toolkit, this is one of those foundational items you'll be glad to have invested in. Priced at $66.49, with additional shipping and import charges to India, it might feel like a premium item, but given its quality, versatility, and durability, it's an investment worth making. If you're ready to bring precision, convenience, and reliability into your crafting workflow, the Fiskars 24 by 36 inch self-healing cutting mat is absolutely worth your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the tools that fuel your creativity. Until next time, happy crafting!